Are you overwhelmed by life's complexities? You're not alone. Many struggle to manage their tasks, but there's a solution. Introducing Todoist, the top-ranked productivity app designed for clarity and efficiency. It's perfect for individuals and teams aiming to simplify their workflow. With Todoist, you'll experience powerful task management, seamless collaboration, and enhanced focus. It transforms how you approach productivity. What sets us apart? Our unique asynchronous first collaboration model. We promote creativity and focus without the constant distractions. We prioritize longevity and sustainability. Our 97% employee retention rate speaks volumes about our culture. We're bootstrapped and profitable, committed to being independent. We plan to build a meaningful company that lasts for decades. Don't settle for temporary fixes. Discover how you can simplify your life today. Download Todoist now and start your journey towards greater productivity.